Hello guys, I'm Jonathan D. Flores from ABM 112B from Visualan Integrated National High School. Today I will show you how to make a business card using Microsoft Publisher. So let's begin. First, just click the Microsoft Publisher. Then click the business card. Click the business card. Okay, once you click the business card, you can see the templates that you can choose. And I will choose this template. It's up to you. What is it? You can customize your colors. Never choose this in forest. Font theme. In the page size, you can click the portrait if you want. Directly choose the landscape. Then click the create button. Wait a minute. As you can see, this is the business card that I will show to you. And I will give you some tips. Just click the files, and edit the business information, click the edit, and you can edit whatever you want. And if you're done editing everything, just click the save, and voila. And you will go back to the files and edit, and you can edit here in is the edit the information, edit. You can edit here. Update application. Oh, okay guys, and click the save here. Save as in documents. And click the save. Okay guys, thank you for watching my tutorial video, and I hope you've learned something new. Just click the subscribe button, and goodbye.